Create a single transaction and pay with card on Singex. With Singex, you can make seamless payments to over 180 countries, including domestic transfers within your own country. Follow this 3-step process to pay your supplier or your employee. Step 1. Create a receiver. One-time setup takes just 1 to 2 minutes. Step 2. Create a transaction. Step 3. Pay with card. Before making a payment, you'll need to add a receiver. Once set up, future transactions can be completed in seconds. Let's talk about how to add a receiver. Click Receivers from the menu on the left side of your Singex dashboard. Select Add Single Receiver. Choose Cards as the funding mode from the drop-down menu. Select the receiver currency, for example Euro. Add receiver payment type, example local payment in Europe. Choose the receiver's bank account country. Enter the country in which the receiver has a bank account. Indicate whether the receiver is an individual or a business. Based on your selection, you'll be asked to fill in the required details. All fields marked with a star are mandatory. However, to ensure seamless transactions, we suggest you complete as many fields as you can. You'll be also requested to enter your unique receiver ID. You can enter any alphanumeric number here, including your receiver's employee number or your supplier's reference number in your accounting system. Once you have entered all the information, please click Submit to save your receiver's details. Your newly added receiver will be listed under View All Receivers. Please do note, if you have Maker Checker controls for adding receivers, then your checker will have to log in to approve the receiver you have added. Create a transaction to the receiver. Click Single Transaction from the menu on the left side of your Singex dashboard. Choose the sender and receiver currency. Let's say you are doing an AUD Euro transaction. This means you will fund your account using an AUD card and want your receiver to get payment in Euro. Enter the amount you want to send. Select the payment type, example, local bank transfer. Choose the funding mode as card. Click on Confirm Amount to proceed. Select the receiver from the list of receivers you have entered earlier. Review your transfer details. In case you have more than one card registered with us, select the card from the drop-down menu. Please enter Purpose of Payment. You will be requested to enter a unique transaction ID of your choice. This could be any alphanumeric number, including the invoice number for your supplier. You also have the option of adding remarks, if any. These remarks will be passed to our payment partner, though we cannot ensure that these remarks will appear on the credit description of your receiver's bank statement. If you have opted for Maker Checker controls for adding transactions, then your checker will have to log on to approve the transactions you have added. Pay for your transaction using your card. Select the checkbox, I agree to waive off all chargeback rights. Click the Pay by Card button. On the acquirer's screen, enter your CVV, make payment. Complete the two-factor authentication to complete your payment. Your transaction is now securely completed. Once we receive your funds, we will process your transaction. Meanwhile, if you're paying a supplier, say Euro 50,000 for importing wine, please upload the invoice and airway bill in advance. This helps us to process your transaction seamlessly.